Hello guys, Edwin here. Today we are going to be talking about Sahara Legends. Okay, Sahara Labs already have a testnet ongoing, but you need a whitelist port to get into that testnet. But they launched this Sahara Legends Quest, which is for everybody, the whole community. Everyone can get into this. You don't need a whitelist port. Okay, so this is just like movement. If you did a movement airdrop, you know everyone got good allocations. Okay, movement raised about 42 million. Sahara has raised 49 million dollars. Okay, so what do we have to do? We have to collect shards and unlock NFTs in five distinct quests. Okay, different types of quests. We have to collect shards, and the shards we gain are going to be used to unlock NFTs. Okay, so Sahara is a decentralized AI network offering Sahara knowledge agents and Sahara data. It enables the creation of customized autonomous AI agents, compensating contributors directly and utilizing blockchain to track data and rewards in a privacy preserving manner. Okay, so Sahara has raised 49 million. Okay, this is very huge. Okay, and the airdrop is free to participate. This is not a test net. We don't need a whitelist bot. Okay, so make sure you get into this. So what do we have to do here? I'll be leaving the link in the description below. Okay, make sure to check. So you need to head over to the dashboard. When you head over to the dashboard, connect your wallet. Okay, make sure you connect your wallet. After connecting your wallet, click on the Gobby Bear quest. Okay, this quest is live now and it's a daily check-in quest. Don't forget, this is a daily check-in quest. Write it down or bookmark this page. Okay, you can bookmark it on your browser or anything. So any day you open your laptop, you just click on the link, it takes you here. Okay, so with this quest, when you click on this, you'll be taken to Gauss. Okay, you'll be taken to Gauss. Okay, so when you come to Gauss, just complete this and you need G, okay, the Gauzy token called the gravity. Okay, I'll be leaving the link in the description below. You can just use $1 or 50 cents and swap for some G. Okay, you need G to complete this. So every day just come here, you complete this quest. Okay, this quest resets every single day. You see it's 9 hours left. Okay, so come here, complete all these quests, and this generates at least one transaction on the Sahara testnet. All you have to do is, let me show you. Come here, come to the dashboard and click facets. When you click on the facets, you'll be taken to Sahara AI facet. Okay, so just connect your wallet and click on request. Okay, so you can request for 0. I think 0.1 every 24 hours. So just click on request and the facet will be sent into your wallet. So after receiving your facet, just open your wallet. Okay, so when you open your wallet, click on send. I'm using Xeron wallet. Okay, click on send and switch the network to Sahara. Let's look for Sahara here. Okay, so just search for any address. Okay, search for any address here and enter any amount 0.0004. Okay, and click confirm. Send any amount to any address you can find anywhere. Okay, it can be yours, it can be your friend's own. Just send any amount. After sending that amount, come and click here to verify. Okay, and with the daily referral, you have to refer your friends if you can refer, if you have people to refer, but it's not compulsory. Just share to your friends if you can. If you have, you can share to them. After sending the transaction, just come here and verify this. I don't know why today it's not verifying. I have to report it on their Discord. Okay, so that's all for this reset daily. So come here and complete this every day. The next thing to do is head over to social media. Okay, so have the legends row in the Sahara Discord server. Okay, to get the legends row, let's head over to the Sahara Discord. To get the legends row, just head over to Sahara AI's Discord. Okay, when you get there, scroll down till you see Community Bible right here. Okay, Community Bible. Scroll up until you see Legend. Okay, just tap on this and the Legend row will be added to your Discord profile. Okay, you need this row to complete the Legends role quest on the Sahara dashboard. Okay, you need that role. So just head over to the Discord and hit that button. Okay, hit the Legends button, and you are going to be assigned a role. Okay, just hit this button, and the role will be added to your um, profile on the Sahara server. Okay, so that's all for now. And remember, this is a daily task to do. Okay, the task refresh in every 24 hours. To get this bronze row and the silver row, you need to be active on their Discord. Just send messages in their Discord, and they have a timer on their message. I think about a minute. Yes, so just send any message. You can say anything in the Discord. Just keep on sending anything. So basically, you are spamming every 1 minute. You can send a message. Okay, so you can do that till you get to level 5. I think this is for level 5 or so. Okay, just keep spamming in the Discord. You get a level. After you get a level, head over to the OP shop in the Discord server and purchase this role. Okay, it's free. Okay, you are using XP to buy. You get XP by being active in the Discord. Okay, so that's all for now. With this other task is for the whitelist testnet users, and you can only complete this one. But for this is for the whitelist testnet users. Don't worry, new quest will be coming for we who are able to participate in just the desert quest. Okay, so just ignore this for now. Make sure you join my Telegram for updates. Don't forget. Okay, I'll be leaving a video of how to get the gravity alpha token. Okay, so make sure you join my Telegram. Don't forget, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.